Hey guys, you all are welcome in the Hyderabad series part first video, and in this video we want to explore you top tourist destination in Hyderabad. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 10th is Shamirpet. Shamirpet offers a peaceful atmosphere with the beautiful man-made lake. It is there since the period of Nizam. There is a deer park in Shamirpet where you will find deer in the great of numbers and as well as find the bears. Sorry, I mean birds. Number 9th is the Spanish Mosque. The Spanish Mosque is inside the complex of Paga Palace and is the one of the stunning structure built by the Paga Nawabs. It is said that during the Paga Nawabs, Iqbal ud Dula equipment, and this mosque is one of the kind in India. It's not the built in India in the traditional Islamic style, but it's instead inspired by Spanish Moorish architecture. This destination is opening timing is 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. for all days. Number 8 is the Ramoji Film City. Ramoji Film City has the Guinness Book of World Record as being the world's largest film studio. The Levis Garden and open space have been featured in the many Indian films. A tour of this film city is an experience of in the own, and therefore Ramoji Film City is the one of the Hyderabad's main tourist attraction. And the price is near about adults 1100 and children's for 1000 rupees. The seventh is Paga Tombs. Paga Tombs are the final resting palace of Paga Nawabs who held significant amount of power during the rules of Nizam. The intricate stoneworks, floor design, mosaic tiles, works and delicately carved marbles are the sight to behold. It is very near and close about the Hussain Sagar Lake. And of course, the number 6 is Hussain Sagar Lake, yet another popular tourist spot in Hyderabad, Asia's largest artificial lake named Hussain Sagar Lake. It connects Hyderabad and Sikandarabad, called the Twin Cities. It was excavated during the period of Ibrahim Qulib Qatab Shah in 1562 AD. The statue of Buddha in the middle of the lake is 16 meters tall, and the boating facilities is also available there. Number 5 is Qutb Shahi Tombs, a series of 7 tombs belonging to the rules of Qutbuddin dynasty. Qutb Shahi tombs are a major heritage site in Hyderabad built in 15th century. This sites draw many tourists for the unique architecture, which happens to be a mixture of Hindu and Persian styles. So go through and explore it. Number 4 is the Old City of Hyderabad, a major tourist spot in the heart of Hyderabad. The Old City of Hyderabad has been the important part of the city since the was first founded. All the major monuments, the city like Charminar, Taramati Baradari, Makkah Masjid and the many more is located in the vicinity of the city. The third is Makkah Masjid. The ancient mosque is more than 400 years old and was built by the founder of Hyderabad, Muhammad Quli Qatab Shah. His personality the whole city around this mosque, making the centerpiece of the same and the famous for Islam, devotion, monument and history. The two is Golconda Fort Hyderabad. The Golconda Fort dates back the 13th century. The acoustics effects are excellent in the fort. If you clap your hands at Fateh Darwaja, the sound can be clearly heard by Bala Hilasar, which is located in a kilometer away. The Royal Palace and Whispering Walls are some of main attraction of Golconda Fort. And the first tourist attraction that comes to the mind when you think of Hyderabad is Charminar, which is located in the heart of the city. Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah constructed the monument in the year of 1591. This is all for now guys. If you enjoy this video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Until then, bye bye. And also believe in yourself.